Mombasa Cement has also kindly donated a liquid oxygen tank, a 10,000 litre tank, which is going to get operationalized by the end of this week, and it is really going to assist us in making sure that we have enough oxygen for our patients. Patients with COVID require high volumes of oxygen, and that is going to assist us because Mombasa Cement is donating a tank together with the liquid inside. So there is going to be a continuous supply of the liquid, and we really want to appreciate the generous donation from Mombasa Cement towards this particular pandemic. We hope that we can continue the partnership with Mombasa Cement as one of our big donors to this particular facility. The way the COVID disease is, the treatment for COVID, one of the main modalities of treatment for COVID is actually oxygen. Each patient requires, depending on severity, if you have a very severe case of COVID, the patient might require 30 to 60 liters of oxygen per minute. For the mild cases that are there, that are slightly dyspneic, you might give them anything between 10 to 15 liters of oxygen per minute. So the volume of oxygen that is used is very high. Yes. We have the bed capacity still. The admitted cases thankfully have gone down a bit. Currently we have about 28 cases that are there, but we are only dealing with moderate to severe. We have the capacity to admit, but we don't admit mild cases. Mild cases are more for home-based care.